These are my 9 roosters. First is Chickadee. Come on, Chickadee. This is Sandy. So these are my brother's roosters. 1, 2, he named them both. My brother's 4. This is Tsunami. This is Zoar Zoar. This is Petrie. This one here is Flex. Over here is sweet Orca. Orca. Here is Bambi-Grey. Very beautiful Bambi. And finally, Midi. Midi, where are you going? He doesn't like when all the... That would be Zoar Zoar and Chickadee at it. Okay. They don't like each other. And Tsunami sticking up for Zoar Zoar. Whereas Chickadee... You're meant to be at the front with me, child. Okay. His heart's racing so much. You're meant to be with me. What are you doing back there? And finally, this is Midi, Chickadee's dad. There's your dad. Chickadee, go to your dad. Midi is running away at the moment because he's scared of these two, Tsunami and Petrie. Orca's a sweetheart. He's friendly with everyone. Sandy is cute. He'll just follow me. Well, they're all following me, actually. Midi, I'm sorry. I was meant to record you. Didn't mean to bring them all over here. Midi, come back. Bambi will just follow Midi everywhere. Bambi keeps Midi company. And there's the cockatoos. They're the most annoying bird out here. Alright boys, let's go back to the coop. Let's go chickens, let's go. Come on! Chick, 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 chick. Midi, Bambi, come on! They're gonna ignore me. Midi, Bambi! Come on, chick, 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 chick. Come on! Come on, chick, 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 chick. I wonder if they'll run. Come on, chick, 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 chick. Alright. Ready for brekkie? Ready for breakfast? Chickadee, good boy. Let's go. Let's go. Awesome.